What's up and welcome to another DIY video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how we're going to make one LED strip out of two. This is going to be a good video if you have a LED strip where, for example, one pixel is broken so you don't have to replace the entire strip, or just when you want to extend the strip to make it longer for whatever project you have in mind. This is even going to be without cables, so we're literally going to be attaching two separate LED strips together. My name is Joshua, this is Studjo Infinity. Let me show you the process. So this is the basic idea. You have one LED strip, you've already cut it off to where it is defect, to where it's still working. And of course then you have another LED strip that we're just gonna attach in the same line together with the rest. The only thing is, of course, you can only attach these on these exposed copper strips. So depending on the type of LED strips, some of them you can cut every few centimeters, some of them you can cut at every LED, some is per half a meter. That depends on the type that you have. And of course all you need is some soldering equipment. So we're gonna let the soldering gun heat up. Make sure to pay attention to the current of the strip. Most strips have these arrows on them, so just make sure you know that the positive and the negative is in the same direction. Let's give these a test, see if everything works. Fingers crossed, I would say. And yeah, this is our result. Of course, this is a very small LED strip. Let me show you where the soldering point is right there. Hope you guys can see this. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more DIY projects with soldering, LEDs, infinity mirrors, because that's what I do. That's why the name is Studjo Infinity. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.